Hello and welcome. Now, one of the ways that you can build a marketing system is to have a way of being able to educate your subscribers, customers, and prospective customers free of charge. YouTube Live allows you to do that. If you already have a YouTube account, you will be able to click Go Live, and you'll then be able to create a live stream broadcast to educate your customers. You can either use the webcam by clicking on the tab that says webcam, or you can stream using multiple cameras and your computer screen. In order to connect your computer screen, you'll need live streaming software. Streaming software OBS Studio is free to use and is open source, and you can download it at obsproject.com. And once you download the software for your system, you'll then be able to use it in order to share your screen. And once you open up the software, what you're going to need to do is to connect your Open Broadcast System software to YouTube. And to do that, you're going to go inside of your settings area. And then you will need to go to the stream area. And what you'll need to do is to choose your YouTube service so that you'll be able to connect with the YouTube server. You'll need to come back to YouTube and then create a new stream key. You'll need to name that stream key. You'll then click Create. You'll then need to copy that stream key and then head back to your encoding software, which is OBS Studio. You'll then need to paste in the stream key to this dialog box. You'll then need to click Apply. You'll then need to click OK. You'll then need to decide what you want to display to YouTube. And to do that, you will add in a source to your present stream. Now, assuming that we wanted to capture the activity from a certain browser window, we would capture that browser window. We would then capture the activity of our browser. We would then add in an audio source. Once we've added in our audio source, we are then ready to begin streaming to YouTube. And we can click Start Streaming. And we will then be streaming live to YouTube. Now, this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to use OBS Studio or how to use YouTube Live. However, you now know the basics of being able to set up free education for your customers and your prospects using YouTube. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.